talk about.
It's quite poor. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Ian. This channel is all about music and art, and I haven't done one of these for a while, but this is my long running series of studio builds. And what's happened is that I've had to have some work done on the studio. We are shortly planning to move from here, and when I had the studio built in 2018, I didn't have something called building regulations, so consequently we now need to have additional work done, and that will be a replacement of the door, followed by a new door frame, new door, and new floor with as much insulation as possible. So I'm going to show you a little bit of footage once I've cleared the studio. The work has now been done. It was done last week, and I'll give you a quick look. So here is the door and the new door frame. Now, because it's a fire door, it's incredibly heavy, and the frame has these seals in it. Oh, you can see the seals. The floor has been raised. So the skirting boards have been removed, and we've had to take the bottom slat wall panels off, and they will remain off. The room sounds a little bit live now. I am going to put the room treatment back in, but I'm not going to hang it on these. I had it hung on these hooks here. Not going to do that. I'm just going to stack it. We've got to put a carpet back down. Just to make it a little bit less roomy than it is now. I've now started to put back some of the high frequency sound panels. I'll probably put a couple more around and see if that makes a difference, and then we'll have a look, we'll have a listen to it, whether you can pick it up on this little mic, as to whether what it actually sounds like. So back in a little bit. So welcome back. I've now put a little bit more room treatment in, and we'll give you a quick look. So the first thing we've done is I've added these corner pieces. They're not hung, they're just sat there, and I've put another one over there. Ideally it would be up hung on those brackets up there, but I'm not going to do that now. The other thing we've done is added a bit more of the high frequency sound treatment. There's a panel there. I think these panels can be moved around if need be. They're just literally just sat there. It doesn't sound as roomy as it did before. You probably won't be able to pick it up on the mic, but things like this fake leather chair is probably helping as much as anything, and just any sort of soft furnishings. It's also worth pointing out that you don't really want your studio to be a square box or an oblong box. And the good thing about this room is, we have this area here, which is a staircase going up, and the door is at an angle. So there aren't 4 square corners, which is brilliant, really. But so that's where we are, and it will probably stay like this now until I have to take everything out of here and we finally move, and then you'll get a chance to have a look, and I'll film the new studio, you know, wherever it's going to be. We've got an idea of what's going to happen, but until we actually sign on contracts, we can't really say. So thanks so much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next video. Cheers now. Bye bye.